Hey family, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I am gonna just jump on and do a real quick little tutorial. This one is super cute. I hope you guys love it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I am trying something new with a jelly polish that I have, like a jelly gel polish that I have. I will try to, if I can still find this one, I'll put the link below of where I got it. And then I am going to put a list of Amazon products in the comments below of things, or of in the description box of several things that I use from Amazon. And now if you do order from Amazon with those, if you order anything, then I do get a little thing from it. I am an Amazon affiliate, so thank you guys if you do order, and everything that I post is going to be something that I use every day in my shop. So much love to you. Enjoy the video. Bye. Thank you guys so much for joining the video. This nail was so cute and so fun to do, and this is such an easy little tutorial. You guys can actually do this. It looks so advanced when you see it on the beautiful Instagram photos, but in reality it's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.